Hello viewers, this is Pawan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Abhiram Academy of Mathematics. In this video, we discuss the most important theorem in triangles in 10th standard. Before going to the theorem, let us see a situation. An archer is trying to hit a target which he knows that the height of the target and the height of the aiming point of the arrow are equal, and know the horizontal distance between the arrow and the target. As he knows the height and distance of the target, he can apply the necessary pressure to hit the target. When the target is placed at a higher level, the height and the horizontal distance is known to the archer. But when the actual distance between the archer and the target is known, he can apply the required force to hit the target. Now the question is whether it is possible to find this distance. To find such distances, there is a theorem called Pythagoras theorem. Now our topic is Pythagoras theorem. This theorem was proposed by a Greek mathematician called Pythagoras. Historians say that before Pythagoras, Baudhayana, an ancient Indian mathematician, used this theorem. The theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. From the statement, we can understand that triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle right-angled at B. That is, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Then the hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle, that is AC. And the other two sides are AB and BC. It is to be proved that the hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove this, we need a construction. Let us drop a line segment BD from B, which is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. Let us consider triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Angle A is common in both the triangles, and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. As angle B is equal to 90 degrees is given and angle D is equal to 90 degrees is our construction. By AA similarity of triangles, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. A video on similarity of two triangles is posted earlier. I am providing the link of that video in the description. Go through that if you have not watched it. We know that if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. That is, AB by AD is equal to BC by DB is equal to AC by AB. From this, let us forget about BC by DB and consider AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. By cross multiplication, we get AB multiplied by AB is equal to AC multiplied by AD. That is, AB square is equal to AC multiplied by AD. Let us consider this as equation 1. Similarly, in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. By AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So we get AB by BD is equal to BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. Let us consider BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. By cross multiplication, we get BC multiplied by BC is equal to AC multiplied by DC. That is, BC square is equal to AC multiplied by DC. Let us consider this as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC multiplied by AD plus AC multiplied by DC. On the right hand side, we can observe that AC is common in both the terms. By taking that AC out as common, we get AC multiplied by AD plus DC. But from the diagram, we can understand that AD plus DC is equal to AC. Therefore, it becomes AC multiplied by AC, which is AC square. Therefore, we come to the conclusion that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.